If current speculations hold true, the S25 debut is just 34 days away. Despite the countdown, leaks have been consistent over the past few months, including the latest renderings from the reliable Evan Blass, posted via his X account. We now have front-facing renders of both the S25 Ultra and Plus variants, giving us a glimpse of their final designs. Design and display. The Ultra and Plus variants line up with recent leaks, providing more evidence that these could be the final designs. The primary difference lies in the corners, with both variants featuring the same front punch-hole cameras. The frames have more rounded edges, making them more comfortable to handle and adding a touch of elegance. There are no rear photographs in this leak, but Blass provided a list of potential colors for the 3 models arriving in January. Blass also posted an image showing a familiar Zedia takedown notice, suggesting that Samsung removed the leak due to its accuracy. This isn't the first time Samsung has flexed its legal muscles to manage leaks, hinting that significant surprises are unlikely at the official unveiling next month. Key specifications. Now, let's go over the specifications we currently have for the S25 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Ultra is known for its high-end technology and unique design, and the S25 is expected to bring similar features with some exciting updates over the S24 Ultra. Display. The S25 Ultra will feature a 6.8-inch AMOLED flat panel, a shift from the curved edges that have been a hallmark of Samsung's flagship smartphones. This dynamic AMOLED display will have an adjustable 120Hz refresh rate, likely the same as the S24 Ultra but with potential tweaks for better color and contrast. The front will include a single punch hole for the selfie camera. Design. The S25 Ultra will move away from the sharp angles of its predecessors to a more rounded, elegant design. The phone will feature a flat front, back, and frame, with polished titanium strengthening the build quality. Colors include titanium, black, blue, gray, silver, silver green, and pink silver. Performance. Equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite with a 3nm technology process chipset, the S25 Ultra boasts a 45% performance increase and 44% power efficiency with a custom-built CPU core that speeds up to 4.32 GHz. The AI engine is powered by a Hexagon MPU with up to 45% AI job handling improvement and 45% greater performance per watt. The chipset promises significant performance gains over Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. RAM and storage. The flagship will feature 12 GB of RAM for the 256 GB model and 16 GB for the 512 GB and 1 TB models. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's Hexagon Neural Processing Unit supports on-device multimodal and generative AI assistance, offering powerful AI features. Software. Samsung One UI 7 will bring fresh graphical changes and an enhanced user experience. The navbar will showcase crucial alerts and functions on the lock screen, while quick settings will allow for better personalization. The home screen will feature new app icons and a fresh appearance. Camera and battery. The camera design will remain similar to the S24 Ultra, with larger bumps for all 5 cameras in the top left corner. The S25 Ultra will focus on improving the camera experience with a 200MP primary camera, enhanced ultra-wide angle from 12MP to 50MP, and 2 telephoto cameras. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's real-time semantic segmentation will provide genuine color and illumination in diverse settings, with 8K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. Nighttime photography will be even better with new algorithms and AI, resulting in brighter, clearer, and less noisy photographs in low light. The S25 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery capable of streaming videos for up to 30 hours or delivering 95 hours of music.